In this short, a seasoned reviewer pits a cutting-edge race car against a meticulously restored classic, illustrating how engineering philosophies changed. Modern aerodynamics and hybrid tech deliver blistering lap times, while vintage engines sing with torque and character. Telemetry, ride comfort, and daily usability are weighed alongside speed, showing how reviews bridge track prowess and real-world practicality. Audiences see a balanced verdict that values reliability, cost of ownership, and emotional appeal, not just top speed. This fresh angle keeps motorsports and car reviews intertwined, yet distinct, inviting curiosity about every era.